So I came to Wilmington, Delaware on a very specific and probably very stupid mission to bike through America's chemical capital and see if I start glowing in the dark. Seriously, this is a city practically built by one company, DuPont. Their identity is so tied to the chemical industry. So I really had my jokes ready. So I was going to talk about mutating, about how the air probably smells like Teflon, and how many drinks it would take to forget the scenery. I came prepared for the worst, bracing for a toxic tour. So before I get to the wild part, you have to understand DuPont is one of the biggest chemical giants of the earth. They came up with all kinds of amazing and life-saving inventions. The nylon stocking and Teflon, the savior of scrambled eggs everywhere. Wilmington, Delaware is the chemical capital. So you tell someone you're gonna bike and ride there, they don't exactly picture green trees and chirping birds. They picture labs, factories, and maybe weird chemical haze over the horizon. This was my mindset. I figured I'd start at the riverfront, assuming it was just a thin, pretty layer hiding much of that gritty truth. So I'm pedaling along the Christina River, and you still see remnants of the shipyard. When I round the bend, I go from sprawling city to untouched marshlands. Whoa, my God. So now I know my video idea is garbage. There'll be no more jokes about glowing in the dark, just appreciation and awe for this amazing bike trail. This is the Jack A. Markell Trail, or they call it the Jam. It's nearly an 8-mile trail, and it connects to Wilmington Riverfront to the historic town of Newcastle, Delaware. And here's the best part. It's built right on top of an old freight rail line that used to serve the chemical plants and factories that gave the city its name. I can't make this stuff up. The path of industry completely reclaimed by nature. The first bit of magic is this boardwalk. For more than a mile, you are literally riding over the marsh, and you really feel like you're floating. The only sounds I hear are bikes and the water lapping against the reeds, the call of the birds everywhere. So incredibly peaceful. You really feel like you're a million miles away from any city, let alone the chemical capital of the world. So my whole idea of this place was completely blown away. It wasn't a toxic nightmare, and I still have my 5 fingers and toes. At least I think I do. And the only chemical reaction I had was one of pure, unexpected joy. Mind-blowing, unbelievable. Drop a comment below. We're always looking for our next adventure. Hope to see you riding in Wilmington, Delaware. Right off the trail, there's this very weird looking structure called Hoots Holler. Gotta visit it first. It's a cement, weird looking tree. It's great. A woman's prison right there. Right off the trail. Does not look fun.